Okay. Easy there, buddy. Owns it. Come on, Finn. Stay close. Easy, girl. I'm right behind.
Come on, girl. Keep going. Damn, he's stuck deep. Hold on. We'll get you out.
Easy, easy. I got you. You're stuck. You're coming out. Got you. You're okay now, big fella.
She's huge.
Just soak through. We'll get him dry.
The other one stayed with him?
Yeah. Right, Bucks.
Easy, girl. You're doing good. Your friend out there is waiting for you. Almost clean now.
You're all right, big guy. Just warm up for a bit. I'll do the rest. Riley's got watch. You can take a nap if you need to.
Look at you two. You're riding so calm, buddy. This is the coolest.